The correct answer is the second and fourth options. The first one is not an issue because the circuit identifiers are remapped in between each onion router. And so there's no way for the beginning and ends onion routers to collude. The second statement is an issue. In section 7 of TOR, the second generation onion router paper, the authors discuss this issue when talking about end-to-end timing attacks and introducing timing into messages. The third item is not an issue. Different keys are used between each router, so there is no way for a malicious router to identify and associate a key with Alice. This fourth item is an issue. To see this, let's take this example network between A and B, and we've chosen a circuit in red. An attacker could try introducing congestion on each connection, for example here, and see if it causes any disruption on the flow of packets into B. In this case it won't, and so the attacker has learned this connection is not involved. He could try here and observe, and he should see disruption of packets into B, and the attacker has learned that these two onion routers are on the circuit. You can continue on to do this on all the connections and learn which onion routers are involved.